Something about that line. Shit is sweet. It's the sweetest name. Oh, no. I can feel the holy. And y'all know we don't help each other enough these days. You know what I'm saying? And you know, sometimes even if the person got it going on, sometimes we still need to like show support just in case they don't have it going on. But you know, nobody support each other these days. You know, there's a lot of jealousy and whatnot. But yeah, none of that here, you know. But anyway, we're moving. So I'm showing y'all everything that I picked up at Ulta. This right here is the Benefits what is this? Lash products, and this is the NYX glitter toppers, and I've got a lot of those. So guys, I am not gonna discuss with y'all everything I got in this video. However, that was what the idea was, but it ended up changing now. So girl, we got this Born This Way foundation, all right, and we're gonna do it and see what it looks like for the first time on my face. And I found out they got a setting powder, Born This Way setting powder. So we're gonna see what that is. And then I got this Italian ice, this Italian spice, from, you know, this is the Too Faced collection. This is the newest eyeshadow palette. Now, girl, you know this eyeshadow palette had to be something for me to grab it. Okay, so because I got like too many, I don't really do that like I used to. I don't have no need to keep buying stuff, you know? So now, girl, we're going to do these brows using the Morphe product. Now, I ain't no need to using Benefit product because it's new. I already got one that's open, so I'm going to stick with that. Use that. And then, you see, I'm just, you know, taking this product all over my brow, in the center, in the front, and on the arch. I'm just filling in. And then I take that spoolie and I brush it up a little bit. Now I'm going into this Genifique, girl. This is a serum, but I'm not going to use this like a primer because the layer is very thin. But you could just put your foundation on after using this product because your face is supposed to have some kind of shield. But I like to actually see the word primer. So I'm going to dive into my Gold Glow. And, you know, it's actually a primer, you know, and I like it. It's pretty cool, but then I can't just trust it. I got to put me some of that sunscreen on. And then I didn't put no sunscreen on because I used the NYX pucker up or something primer. So there's no need to put on all that product when you got already a primer that you use. So there's no need of a sunscreen. So now what I'm going to do is take the concealer, blend it out, shape up my brows. Yeah, shape my brows up. And I start on the lower brow first, and then I start on the top second. I hope y'all subscribe to the channel because it make a lot of sense if you do that. Especially if y'all one of the ones that be coming here and don't never, you know, subscribe. But hey, all right. If you want to miss one of my videos one day, and I'm not caring either. So yeah. So I'm going into my Tarte concealer, and I'm gonna do that at the top of the brow because it's a darker color, and I really don't feel like I ain't in the mood to really blend like crazy right now. So, you know, this brow is going to be real simple for me to do. You guys won't be able to tell that it was simple, but it was very simple for me because I used the same shade is my skin tone for the top brow. And then I'm going to go into the Anastasia brow tint, and then I'm going to comb my brows up. So this here acts as like a gel to me. You know, I like it because it makes my brows look more natural or whatnot. And if I got any sharp lines, it kind of blends it and bring it, you know, evenly. So now I'm finna dive into this palette that I got from Too Faced. And I don't know what color I just showed y'all, but that's the color I'm going into. And I'm just going to blend that all over the lid like so. As you guys see, I just blend it, just do my thing. I kind of let the eyeshadow do what it want to do because that's how I'm going to tell if this eyeshadow I like. Because, you know, I already got good brushes, so yeah. We're going to see if this is the quality that I like. So then I'm going to like this like tan color that come off orange. And I'm like, dang how it look in the palette. But, you know, Too Faced eyeshadows normally come off like this. It kind of fool you when it's in the palette, you know. But the glitters, oh my God, sometimes the glitters can fool you too. So I'm going as like this purplish pink color. And I'm just in there like, ooh, this looks good, you know. But not getting so excited just yet. So I just blend that all in using that same brush, you know. I go into my lighter colors first and then I go into the darker colors towards the ending of the look. Because I don't have to clean all them brushes because, girl, you know, I would be having a lot of brushes to clean. So I'm going to this brown girl. Y'all know I like these browns. But this brown didn't give me the payoff that I wanted. And I'm like, Too Faced, what's up? What you doing? Because this ain't giving me what I wanted now. Girl, you know you got to do better than that. But anyway, so instead of trying to complete that eyeshadow look, since that brown threw me off, I went on into the foundation. So I started maneuvering the foundation on my skin. You know, it got a little squeeze there, so that's why I dump it on my face like that. But so I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this makeup, and I noticed I'm like, dang, it's oxidizing on like immediately, but it's like really light. It was creeping me out. But I'm like, okay, I can fix this. So I use this new JUVIA'S Place sponge beauty blender that you wet, and I wet it and I started using it or whatever to help me out. You know, it really ain't do much, but I like that it can get in those little corners. So I go back in the brush that I had the product on and I try to blend for I can make the surface smooth for the concealer that I'll be using, which is Urban Decay Stay Naked. Love it, love it, love it. However, the product don't really work as well with the Too Faced product because to me it makes the skin look a little bit darker. But hey, it's probably the shade that I got in that concealer that doesn't work right with the shade of the foundation. So you just blend that in. Go on, blend that up. I bet y'all say she ain't got no manners. Drinking all on the recorder while she recording, girl. Drinking it. Oh, well, that's I'm drinking in the video something else. But what I'm drinking now is water. Yeah. But however, I bet y'all say she ain't got no manners. So, whatever, you know. But anyway, girl, I'm just blending that concealer out. like so. And I'm trying to make this, you know, this foundation here. If you're a pro, you already know what's up. You got to work it. You know, you got to work this foundation. It's really not good for, you know, beginners. It's not beginner friendly. Because you'll have to put some work towards it. But it's cute, though. You know, it's cute. It's giving me, like, glow. Like, I'm wearing it now. And I got a whole different look on. But I'm wearing it now. And it's like, I mean, girl, I'm, like, glowing. And it's like, I'm going to show y'all how I look right now. I don't know much about money. So, yeah, this is how I look right now. And, you know, I like the foundation. It's like, it's cute. But, you know, you just got to really blend it to get what you want. You know, I feel like you got to know how to do makeup in order to do anything. But some products, you know, don't work as easy because of the steps that it took to make the product. And you kind of got to feel it out, you know, but you can make anything work if you can do makeup. So I'm in the JUVIA'S Place bronzing palette and Hidden Pan. girl. And I'm just going in, just making sure everything, you know, sharpen up them cheekbones, that nose, you know, and yeah, I did a whole video on my two puffs, so y'all need to be sure that you go check that out. If you interested, like you be like, that girl got that puff in her head right now. Girl, I just do me. Like, I've been doing a lot of trauma lately. Okay. I just have to do what makes me happy at the time. You know, what makes me feel okay, because lately it's just been like faking it, you know, and I don't really want to fake it. And one thing I like about being on YouTube is I don't have to be fake, you know. I started this channel, you know, my life changing in different scenarios, and I share it with you guys. It really makes me happy, and I believe that it's a great work in me with this channel, because I was able to learn who I am, what I like to do, my passion, you know, and how to not keep everything that's not needed inside of you in. You know, give it out so you can help somebody else. That's what YouTube has taught me, and I enjoy bringing all kind of content to you. I do. I enjoy bringing all kind of content to you. The crazy thing is, all you gotta do is subscribe or like the videos. You know, just to implore me fully, you know. But hey, if you don't want to see me all the time, then that's up to you. You know, then I just gotta keep going through trauma working for people. You know, but hey, let your conscience be your God. I don't know. But no harsh feelings, girl. I know y'all coming every day, and I appreciate the people who've held my channel down, been with me, rocking with me. I really love you a lot. And I just appreciate you. And yeah, we're going to continue to bring you great content. I would like to see more of you. And if you're new here, just joining, subscribe to the channel, because it's a great place to be. You know, I'd be honest with you about quite a bit. You know, I'm just an honest person, so yeah, I can't keep it to myself. Girl, we dive right back into these eyes, and we're using some of that glitter or whatnot. So you seen that I sprayed that brush a little bit so that I can get all those glitter flakes. However, girl, this look was so pretty, I thought, you know, but I ended up putting some that NYX toppings, glitter toppings. Ended up putting that on there, but I could have did without it, but it was still cute. You know, I just wanted to be extra because I was going somewhere, you know, and trying to be extra. You know, I thought Mother's Day was that day, yesterday, but it was really a Sunday. But girl, the look turned out so pretty. All the colors that I'm using is from this one palette. And I just think it's an overall great palette. I use Too Faced palettes faithfully, you know, especially like I want like simple glam. I can even do a dramatic glam with a Too Faced palette. You know, Too Faced is cool. So y'all know I can't go nowhere without a wing. So I'm putting my wing on, and then I'm just going to try to see if I'm going to do lashes or what. I don't know if I'm going to do lashes or what. But you know that wing got to be perfect. You know, it determines how thick the wing is that make me... Girl, I went into that Urban Decay glitter. The Urban Decay glitter. And I like using it. And then I took underneath the bottom waterline. I took it some lime green, that lime green liner from Urban Decay. I gave it something to drink, girl, because it looked thirsty down there. I had to wake them eyes up down there, you know. So, it really looks good. Then I put on my mascara. And I really like this look, guys. You really don't need lashes if you choose not to wear them. I got a little mascara. Yeah. So these lashes are super thin, and it takes me some time to do it, because it's actually another way you're supposed to put these on. And I got a video coming out on that. So it's really, really easy. You may want to watch it, because these might be the lashes you might be interested in, especially if you like natural looking lashes. These lashes will be the ones you want. So subscribe to the channel so you can definitely see that video on how easy it is to install these lashes without glue. Alright, so anyway, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoy. So I'm just tapping in my highlighter. Yeah, because I like my highlighter to be real smooth and like watery. You know, I like to look like, you know, like water kiss me a little bit sometimes, but I like it to look like that, but I don't want it to, you know, when you touch it, it's like you leave a fingerprint, baby. I do not play in that order. But anyway, y'all, I really do appreciate you for watching videos like this, and if you want to see more, I guarantee you will love the videos you see if you like this video, because I can definitely make more like this to come. And yeah, if you like videos like this, follow the channel by subscribing and giving me a big thumbs up. Alright, it really helps the channel out, you know. So yeah, so be sure to subscribe. Be sure. And happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your Mother's Day, girl, because let me tell you, you deserve it. You deserve it. But anyway, no, you deserve it. Seriously. Like, I know you deserve it. I deserve it. You know, every mother in the world deserves it after what we done been through. See y'all in the next video.